Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a review of family movies, kids movies, and it's nice, it's good, and you have to watch it. And tell me, what did you like the most? The name of the movie is Clifford the Big Red Dog. Look who's coming up. Huh? Look who is coming up. Look. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a review. There's a little girl. She's 12 years old. She loves that. She likes that, and her mother was going somewhere out of the country, out of the city. So her uncle was with her, and she was sad that her mother is going away in the looks, and she's going without her. She was very sad that one day the girl name was Lily, and Lily and his uncle were going they were going to have fun in the park. The animal park. They went there, and there was a cute little monkey there. The girl Lily was going in. The monkey said hi, and his uncle was going like just being afraid from the monkey. And when monkey said how, his uncle ran inside, and the monkey was doing like that. He was doing like this, and there was a man inside there. He was not so old, and he has so many animals inside. And his uncle and Lily's uncle was doing like this. He was afraid. He was afraid that they're going to eat me up. So there was a baby giraffe like this. Here. This is my baby giraffe. And he was laughing on the man like this. Laughing like this, and the girl was looking like this. Wow. Oh, this is a cute animal. And the man said, there is something for you. There's something up for you. Then she went upstairs like. There was a cute red little dog, like this red little dog. This little dog. And she really, really wanted. When she bring it down, his uncle was like, that's so pretty. I mean, we're not going to take this home. Your mother said no animals in home. And Lily was like this, please, can I have it? Please, please. And he said, no, put it back. Go, I'm waiting down. And she was like, look, uncle, how cute it is. How cute. Please, can we take it home? Oh, it's so cute. I mean, just put it back. And she was so sad. She said, okay. She put it back, and they went home. It was, they were going to school, and it was a recycling day. The mean girls were they cut the packet that she put some cans. The mean girls just cut it, and when she picked it up, when Lily picked it up, and all the cans just fell down. They make video and make fun of her. She was so sad. When she came back home, she just ran into her room and started crying. When she heard something in her bag, she looked. What? Who are you? And then the dog just came out and the dog, what are you doing here in my backpack? How did you get in here? I really like you. Who could put you in here? Maybe that man could put it there. Maybe that man can't put you in here. Let's think a name for you. First she said, Jerry? She said, no, the dog was girl. She said, Then Lily said, Sky? She said, no. Then she said, Clifford. And she liked that name. She jumped around, yee, like she should love it. Clifford became friends, and it was already going to night. And she was looking on Facebook that her video was posted and everybody was making fun of her. So it was nighttime. She was going to sleep. She was just picking up the dog and doing like this. I wish I was big and strong. She wished for her that I wish that I want to be big and strong. But when she wake up in the morning, she got screaming. She ran out of her bed. You know what happened? You're going to get a surprise. This little dog became this like a long 100 portions of building. The big red dog was like this big, and she got so surprised, like and she said, "Sit, Clifford, sit." When she sit, her laptop and her table all got. And his uncle said, What is it doing in here? Tell me, what is she doing in here?" And how did she get so big? She was telling the whole story, that this happened, and then she was telling she got big, and his uncle was saying, "No, I not brought it for you, and what is she doing in this home?" Lily is saying she got big. He's saying, "No, this little dog was 1 year old yesterday and got this big today. That can be possible." And when the door opened, the uncle, her uncle screamed, "Ah, what is this? How does it happen?" He just picked up the brush. Sit. What is? Yeah, she asked from Lily, "What is the name of this big red dog?" She said, "Clifford." He said, "Sit, Clifford." Lily said, "No!" Pew! The bed broke. And listen who's coming. Look. Give me something. Thing.
Okay.
So they were going out for a walk, and everybody was wow. Whoa. And the big ball that people sit in, and it got roll. Clifford just run there and around and make the ball squeezed. And the man got hurt, and everybody got so angry of that dog, and the dog got scared. What? How did that happen? And the people post a picture on their channels and Instagram, Snapchat, not Snapchat, social medias and Facebook. And there was a really bad man who just captured the animals and give them medicines, injections, and they become evil. If there's this cutie cat, it is going to become a tiger. This small cat is going to get this big teeth and this big ears, 5 legs, and strong and dangerous. Now the man just saw the dog, and he said, "We are going to capture that dog and put them in injection, and he's going to turn into small again, or he's going to turn people die. Then I'm going to capture. Then I'm going to get. Then I'm going to get rich. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to get rich." Then the man and his guards were walking in the jungle, walking in the streets, driving in the streets. We're not afraid. Just kidding. And they were driving the streets and everywhere. And when they find the girl and Clifford, the Lily just tied Clifford on the bench. And the man was talking from Lily and her uncle. So the man's guard was just coming from the port. And then they're going to like this. The dog screamed. He was running. He saw a man of 100 portions of building. He was going to fall down. The dog helped him, and everybody just got with them, with her, and everybody was safe. And everybody was helping them that the dog don't got captured, and that's why. And the whole of the whole guards were at the back of the dog, and he was running. Some people, Lily and Lily's uncle and some more people just ran into a bakery, and the guards ran into the bakery again, and they were fighting. First, the Lily's uncle was throwing fly like this, and he was just, the guard was just, and he got, and they were fighting so much. They were fighting so funny. They were just, it was so fun to see that part. And the people with Clifford just got wind, and the guard got fight. बेहोश हो गए. And they were in the bakery. They all ran away, and Clifford and his uncle and Lily just got in the restaurant, and they were eating burgers. Clifford was eating with manners because he was a dog. You don't know how to eat like a human being, but he was eating a little bit of manners. And the maid and Lily was eating like a good girl, and then maid come for giving more burgers. She was saying, "What's wrong with him? Why is he eating like wild animals?" Lily said, "It's just a dog." Maid said, "I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about him, his uncle. He was eating like this, the ketchup and the burger. Well, eating like 1-year-old baby." And they spent the whole night over there, and it was so fun to watch it. Then her mother saw this all on social media, that you have a big red dog, and when her mother called her uncle, when his uncle is nervous, he always say, he doesn't take the name of it. He always said, "Hey girl," and when he said that, mother said, "Why are you always saying hey girl?" He said, "That's I like it." Then her mother said, "I want to talk to Lily." When he gave the phone to Lily, the Lily was saying too, "Hey girl." And her mother was saying, "Why are you being like your uncle?" She said, "I like to be." And she just she cut the call and ran out, and there were all guards around, and everybody was, those don't know who is Clifford and what he did, and blah blah blah. He helped people, or what he did. What he did. So people was afraid of him because they went somewhere else. So that's why the people were saying, take this dog, and but the man who gave the dog to that girl, She said that, can you make this dog small? Please, can you make this dog small? He was saying, I can make it small. She said, why? She said, why you can make it small? Look, the dog is going to get captured. So she was so crying, and the man said that you have a telling. You can tell the people he's not dangerous. She said that. She said, okay, I'll try. She said, Mr. Police, stop. I need to tell something. This dog is not dangerous. And the man who wants to capture it, he came there and said, no, capture him. He's dangerous. He's going to kill us. He's dangerous. The man said, the policeman said, just stop a minute. Just stop. Don't talk. Let me listen. So she was saying, you have a machine that you can check it is dangerous or not. And he was saying, and the man was saying, who knows it belongs to? It belongs to me. The bad man was saying, it belongs to me. She's lying. It's my dog. And the girl was saying that, no. You have two machines that you can check it's dangerous or not. You can also check that it belongs to me or not. And when the policeman checked it's dangerous, no, it's not dangerous. And when they checked that it is who it belongs to, and it belongs to the girl, the policeman said, and everybody started to scream, yay, 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 it's not dangerous, it's so nice, it's a cute dog. And everybody came Clifford and hey Clifford, cheese, and they all take pictures and all. The next day Clifford had to go somewhere far away. The Clifford has to go somewhere, and Clifford was going in the ship, and the ship was from the bad man. He didn't tell that it is from us, and the man who was driving the ship, it was the guard of his man, and it doesn't look he's the guard. So he was in a helicopter flying. When it was morning, he was flying in a helicopter, and Clifford was crying, and her uncle's mother always had this big purse here, and she had lots of cans of condensed milk. You know, she drinks condensed milk. Yeah. She drinks condensed milk every day and every time. She drinks condensed milk. I don't like condensed milk. And they were going, all the people who were with Clifford, they all were going with Clifford, and they are going with Lily and Lily's uncle to save her. And Clifford and the man who was the bad man. He's good. the bad man who was going to who captured the dog, he was what do you call it? I think he was in a news, so that's why they all go in his office from the back door, and the back door was locked, and the man who worked in shops, he had some fireworks, and he just put the fireworks there, and the door opened and they all went in. There was a goat. It looked so cute, and then it looked so dangerous, and she was going to bite, and she was going to pew them, but her mother's condensed milk worked. Lily's grandmother's condensed milk just worked. She opened the condensed milk can and just, hey, you want some? And all the way she go. And then Clifford and Lily and his uncle, some people were going in, but what happened? Clifford was tired, like, and she was like this, and some of the doctors were just, stop, you naughty dog, stop, like this, and they were already going to shoot him, but there were so many doctors and there were so many people with with Lily, and less doctors. The doctors have this big guns, and they were going to shoot, but Condensed grandmother was there. She first just opened the can and throw it, and the doctor said, yeah! And the gun just fell down, and Lily picked up the gun, and the gun was statue. It can statue, if you like chew, the person is going to get statue. Then she started every doctor and opened Clifford, and they all went home happily ever after. And his uncle and the dog and then the dog, Lily, and his uncle, mother, all lived happily ever after. And the end. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and some more new clay things, and for more reviews and for more videos. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Bye.